Myths and misconceptions about immune diseases are still common in Nigeria. This is made worse by social media-induced hysteria. To address these misconceptions, the Federal Teaching Hospital, Gombe, organized an in-house refresher for doctors. Our correspondent, AJIBADE, was there and has details.
Lupus disease recently trended on social media after a popular actress announced that she has been diagnosed with the ailment and has less than 5 years to live. As with uncommon diseases and those whose causes are yet unknown, there are several misconceptions around lupus. This presentation, organized by the Department of Internal Medicine at the Federal Teaching Hospital in Gombe, aims at sensitizing doctors on the latest research and treatments. After the presentations, a robust question and answer session followed.
There are some components of the body that should protect us from having infection, for instance. But for whatever reason, these components will now become aberrant and they begin to misbehave. Instead of protecting the body, they now begin to attack the body.
One of the presentations is recurrent child loss. So you get pregnant and keep having miscarriage. Most of them, when they come initially, they are discouraged. Like we had a patient in ONG who had been having recurrent miscarriages, almost 3 to 4 miscarriages. But when this disease was now diagnosed, when the diagnosis was made, the patient was placed on drugs and was able to carry her pregnancy to term, to delivery.
Medical experts explain that social stigma and depression are additional challenges that patients battle. Psychosocial support is an important part of treatment.
Rheumatologists now have the ability to manage the patient in such a way that the person can live a normal life. For instance, the patient, if it's a lady, she can actually put to bed, she can live a normal life without any form of issue whatsoever.
Most of them come angry and depressed at the way the disease have been for long, because it's not easily detected and they tend to stay with it for a very long period of time. So when they come, you have to encourage them and tell them, yes, you can live with this, it's not a death sentence.
Lupus, like many other immune diseases, is difficult to diagnose. But the good news is that more experts in this difficult medical field are being trained. Many so-called mysterious diseases are just undiagnosed ailments. The real killer is ignorance. AJIBADE, TVC News, Gombe.